Lotus starter again. Today we have a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL450 with 255,000 miles, and the complaint is that it's making loud noises when accelerating. Confirmed with a test drive. When accelerating from a standstill, when taking off kind of heavier on the foot, on the gas, you can hear this loud knocking noise coming from the center of the vehicle, and it looks like it's coming from the transfer case chain being loose. So we're gonna test drive it and then see what we're gonna do to repair it. Here's the transfer case cover removed, and there's a, you can see there's excessive play in the chain, and basically this has been jumping at a harder acceleration, and it's been making a lot of noise. In order to remove this, I loosened the center support bearing, disconnected the drive shaft from the back of the transfer case, and I was able to remove all these bolts and slide the cover off. It's not easy, but it's doable without removing the transfer case. So now I'm gonna go ahead and change the chain, clean up over here. There's some sludge build up over here. I'm gonna clean this up, clean this surface up, put it back together, and add fluid, and it should be good. Here are the two chains next to each other. It's really difficult to measure exactly since this one folded in a little bit more, but you can tell this one is maybe a few millimeters longer. Once I put it back, you should be able to tell if it's any tighter or not. The transfer case cover cleaned up as much as possible. There's a magnet here, you have to remove it to clean it. This gear comes off. If you want to take it off and clean it, which I did already, put it back. There's the transfer case with a new chain on. Barely any play. Gotta clean up all this area, surface area. There's some pretty good amount of sludge was here. I cleaned all that up as much as possible. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some RTV on this surface and put the cover back on. Okay, so transfer case is back in one piece. I added fluid already. It took about less than a quart of fluid. Put back the drive shaft. Put the center support bearing back in place. Put this back in place. So just gonna take it for a test drive, and it should be it. Thank you for watching. More videos are coming soon. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, here's a video after replacing the transfer case chain. Very smooth, no more noises. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.